Hey Derek, this is Mike Fortner. Just looking at your cute picture of a dart impacting the dartboard. And one thing that's interesting about this, let me just go with this for a second. The dartboard is usually kind of a spongy material that allows it to be more easily perforated than perhaps a uh, plastic or wood or metallic board that would not. Does that change the force interaction when the dart initially uh, impacts the board? I know you can answer, so I'm going to tell you what my opinion is. It does not, but this is very similar to when a car travels at any speed and impacts another car that happens to have a crumple zone in the front end of the car. So when that crumple zone absorbs some of the impulse, as it was, and because of that, that decreases the peak force. But that's a response to the impact. That does not change the initial impact. So when the dart impacts the whatever kind of board it is, its initial impact, that's what's repeated back down the dart body uh, when uh, when it strikes a board. If the dartboard fails for any reason, like this dartboard might, if it's spongy, and the dart goes head through, then that's a follow-on action, and that's dependent on the overall system. The action-reaction is not dependent on that. I hope this made sense. It did to me at the time, but you never can tell. If not, give me a text or an email.